Did you know Honda sensing is customizable? Or have you always assumed your Civic's tire pressure warning shows the exact PSI in each tire? Both are common assumptions, and both catch a lot of owners by surprise. The truth is, your Civic is packed with useful features that most people never discover because nobody ever shows them where to look. So today, we're counting down 10 hidden Honda Civic features every owner should know before their next drive. Number 10. Walk-away autolock. Have you ever parked your Civic, walked away, and suddenly wondered, wait, did I lock the car? It happens more often than you'd think, especially when you're carrying groceries or rushing through your day. That's exactly the problem Honda quietly solved with a feature many Civic owners don't even realize they have. But what if your Civic could lock itself after you walked away, and the only reason it doesn't is because one setting was never turned on? Honda calls it walk-away auto lock. After you park, get out, close all the doors and the trunk, and walk about 5 to 8 feet away with your key fob, the Civic automatically locks the doors, flashes the lights, gives a confirmation beep, and then arms the factory security system a few seconds later. What surprises many owners is that this feature is often turned off by default. Unless you enable it in the vehicle settings, the car won't lock itself automatically, which is why many people assume their Civic doesn't have it. The system also won't always lock immediately. If you're standing nearby unloading groceries or talking to someone, many Civics use a short backup delay before locking once all conditions are met. It also won't activate if a door or the trunk is open, the key fob is left inside, or the engine is still running. In those cases, the Civic keeps beeping to let you know it stayed unlocked. If you switch to a spare key fob, you may also need to enable the feature again, since Honda stores many settings separately for each key. Once it's set up, it's one of those features that quietly gives you peace of mind every time you leave your car. Now, locking your Civic automatically is convenient, but the next feature is even smarter because it decides when your car actually needs maintenance instead of simply counting miles. Number 9. Maintenance minder isn't mileage-based. Are you one of those drivers who thinks your Honda Civic tells you to change the oil simply because you've driven a certain number of miles? If that sounds like you, you're not alone. But that's not actually how it works. One of the biggest misconceptions about the Honda Civic is that the maintenance minder follows the old change your oil every 3,000 miles rule. In reality, Honda's system is much smarter. Instead of tracking mileage alone, the maintenance minder uses the car's onboard computer to estimate oil life based on engine operating conditions, including engine revolutions, temperature, trip length, and your overall driving habits. That means two Civic owners driving the same distance could receive completely different service reminders. When the oil life gets low, you'll see a wrench icon along with service codes like A, B, B1, or A2. These aren't warning lights telling you something is wrong. They simply tell you what maintenance your Civic is due for, whether that's an oil change, tire rotation, or another scheduled service. Many owners also change their oil too early because it looks dark, or they're following outdated habits. Honda recommends keeping the factory fill oil until the first maintenance minder alert, since it's formulated to help protect the engine during its initial break-in period. Just remember, the system estimates oil life, not oil level. So you should still check the dipstick regularly and change the oil at least once a year if the reminder hasn't appeared. However, smart maintenance isn't the only feature that makes daily driving easier. Number 8. Brake hold. If you drive through busy traffic every day, you know how tiring it is to keep your foot on the brake at every red light. That's exactly the problem Honda designed brake hold to solve. Yet many Civic owners drive for months without realizing there's a button that makes stop-and-go traffic much more comfortable. Brake hold sits beside the electronic parking brake, so it's easy to overlook. All you have to do is buckle your seatbelt, start the car, and press the brake hold button. Once you come to a complete stop, the system keeps the brakes applied even after you lift your foot off the pedal. Your brake. Lights remain on, and as soon as you press the accelerator, the brakes release automatically, so you can drive away normally. It's especially useful in heavy traffic, at long red lights, in drive-thrus, and on hills, where it also helps prevent the car from rolling as you move your foot to the accelerator. Many owners never use it because they mistake it for the electronic parking brake, or try it without fastening their seatbelt, which prevents it from activating. Also remember that brake hold usually has to be switched on again every time you restart the vehicle. But convenience isn't the only thing your Civic lets you customize. Even some of its biggest safety features have settings that many owners never think to adjust.
Number 7. Honda Sensing is customizable.
Most Civic owners know their car comes with Honda Sensing, but many never change a single setting. If a feature feels too sensitive or annoying, they often turn it off completely instead of adjusting it. But what if the problem isn't Honda Sensing itself, but the fact that you've never customized it to match the way you drive? One of the Civic's most overlooked features is that many Honda Sensing settings can be customized. Depending on your model year and trim, you can adjust the forward collision warning alert distance, change how certain lane keeping assist features respond, and personalize some adaptive cruise control settings. That matters because every driver is different. Highway drivers may prefer earlier safety alerts, while city drivers often find the factory settings too sensitive. Instead of disabling the system, a few adjustments can make it feel much more natural. Many owners never find these options because they're buried in the vehicle settings menu, and dealerships usually spend only a few minutes explaining them during delivery. As a result, many assume the factory settings are the only ones available. Once adjusted to your preference, Honda Sensing can make long drives more comfortable while still providing helpful warnings and support. Just remember, these features are designed to assist you, not replace an attentive driver. Now, speaking of hidden features, your Civic's key fob is hiding something most owners don't discover until they really need it.
Number 6. The hidden key inside your key fob.
Have you ever wondered what you'd do if your Honda Civic's key fob suddenly stopped working? Whether the battery dies or the car won't detect the signal, there's already a backup key hidden in your hand. One of the Civic's most overlooked features is the physical metal key hidden inside the key fob. Most owners carry it every day without realizing it's there. On many Civic models, the driver's door keyhole is hidden beneath the door handle for a cleaner look. Just pull the handle outward, insert the key into the hidden lock cylinder, and you can manually unlock the door if the key fob battery dies or the smart entry system isn't responding. It's a simple backup that can save you from being locked out because of a dead battery or temporary electronic interference. It's one of those features you hope you never need, but when you do, knowing where it is can save you a lot of stress and frustration. However, your key fob has another hidden trick that's perfect on hot summer days, and most Civic owners don't discover it until someone else shows them. Before we reveal the final features, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another Honda Civic owner. You never know. One simple tip could save them time, money, or a lot of unnecessary frustration. Now, let's finish the list.
Number 5. The key fob window roll down trick.
If you've ever parked your Civic under the hot sun, you know how uncomfortable it is to open the door to a cabin full of trapped heat. Luckily, Honda built in a simple feature that many owners never discover. What if you could cool your Civic down before you even open the driver's door? On many Honda Civic models, the key fob can do more than lock and unlock the doors. Press unlock once, then press and hold it a second time, and the Civic automatically lowers all 4 windows. If your model has a moonroof, it may open as well. This lets the trapped heat escape before you get in, making the cabin much more comfortable on hot days. Many owners never realize this feature exists. Others accidentally disable it in the vehicle settings, or simply assume the key fob only controls the door locks. Just remember, while you can roll the windows down this way, most Civics won't let you roll them back up using the key fob alone.
It's a small convenience feature, but once you start using it during hot weather, you'll wonder how you ever drove without it. But your next stop at the gas station could reveal another clever Honda feature that's hiding in plain sight. Number 4. Capless fuel filler plus hidden funnel. Filling up a Honda Civic is simple. Just open the fuel door, insert the pump nozzle, and you're done. No gas cap required. But that convenience hides a small emergency tool many owners don't even know they have. If your Civic already has a capless fuel system, why would Honda include a hidden plastic funnel? It's there for emergencies. Honda's Capless fuel system is designed for standard gas station nozzles, but many portable gas cans can't properly open the protective flaps inside the filler neck. That's why Honda includes a dedicated plastic funnel. Insert it into the filler neck first, and you can safely add fuel from a portable gas can or use certain fuel additives without damaging the Capless fuel system. On many Civics, the funnel is stored with the emergency tools beneath the trunk floor, where it often goes unnoticed for years. So, if you ever run out of fuel away from a station, knowing where that funnel is can save you time, frustration, and a potential headache. Yet one of your Civic's smartest comfort features starts working before you even open the door.
Number 3. Remote start automatically prepares your cabin.
Did you know your Honda Civic's remote start does more than just start the engine? On equipped models with automatic climate control, remote start also prepares the cabin before you even get in. On hot days, it automatically cools the interior. In cold weather, it switches to heating, and on many models, it also activates the front and rear defrosters to help clear frost or fog from the windows. That means a more comfortable cabin and better visibility before you even start driving. Dealerships often explain how to use remote start, but not what the climate system does after the engine starts, so many drivers assume they still have to adjust everything themselves. Remote start won't replace regular maintenance, but it makes everyday driving much more comfortable, especially during hot summers or cold winter mornings. It's a feature many owners don't fully appreciate until they start using it regularly. Meanwhile, one dashboard warning many Civic owners misunderstand doesn't actually measure tire pressure the way most people think.
Number 2. Thinking your TPMS shows your actual tire pressure.
When the tire pressure warning light comes on, most Honda Civic owners assume the car knows the exact PSI in every tire. That's understandable, because many newer vehicles display individual tire pressures. But on many Civic models, the system works very differently, which is why so many owners misunderstand what the warning light actually means. So, if your Civic doesn't actually measure tire pressure directly, how does it know when one of your tires is running low? It's very simple. Instead of using pressure sensors inside each wheel, Honda's indirect TPMS relies on the same wheel speed sensors used by the anti-lock braking system and vehicle stability assist. When a tire loses pressure, its rolling diameter becomes slightly smaller, causing it to spin a little faster than the others. The system compares wheel speeds and alerts you when it detects a meaningful difference. That's also why many Civics don't display the exact PSI for each tire. The system monitors wheel rotation, not air pressure itself. Because of that, you should still check your tire pressure regularly with a quality tire gauge, especially when temperatures change. And after inflating your tires or rotating them, remember to recalibrate the TPMS so it can establish a new baseline and continue monitoring accurately. And one final Honda Civic setting lets you decide exactly when your doors should lock and unlock automatically.
Number 1. Never customizing your auto door lock and unlock settings.
Most Honda Civic owners leave the factory door lock settings exactly as they are. If the doors lock and unlock, they assume everything is working fine. But Honda lets you customize many of these behaviors, allowing the car to better match your daily routine, whether you drive alone, with family, or regularly carry passengers. Yet if your Civic already locks and unlocks automatically, why would changing those settings make such a big difference? Because convenience means something different for every driver. Depending on your Civic's model and trim, you can customize when the doors lock, when they unlock, and how the vehicle behaves after you park.
Just remember, it only locks the car. It won't unlock it automatically when you return. These settings are hidden in the vehicle menus, and the factory setup usually works well enough. So spending just a few minutes adjusting these settings can make everyday driving more convenient, help passengers get in and out more comfortably, and reduce the chances of leaving your vehicle unlocked. Those are some of the most useful Honda Civic features many owners never take full advantage of. Learn them once, set them up properly, and you'll enjoy a safer, smarter, and more convenient ownership experience. So, which feature surprised you the most, and which one are you actually going to try after watching this video? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear it. And if you enjoy uncovering the hidden features, clever shortcuts, and useful tips Honda doesn't always tell you about,
Make sure you subscribe because we've got plenty more videos that'll help you get even more out of your Civic. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.